Hey, how's it going? Brady here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the best 1v1.LOL settings in 2020. This is the first video on the channel, so make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any more uploads. Probably going to be uploading a lot now with all these new COVID restrictions. Don't have a lot to do, so let's see where this goes. Yeah, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So Ready YT, that's my name. And yeah, here are the settings. So for the X and Y sensitivity, we have those just at 30%. Pretty sure that's the default. Targeting sensitivity is at 30%. Sniper sensitivity is at 85%. And my movements, those are all basic WASD, what I would use for everything. One time I tried moving it over to the right using ESDF, but it's the same thing. I think it's just the space bars kind of weird, but that's yeah. Yeah, jump is space. For my crouch, I have left shift. I use C in Call of Duty, but I actually have C as my floors. For doors, I have E, but in my settings, I have auto open doors. I have 1 for pickaxe, scroll wheel down for shotgun, 2 for AR, F for sniper. My shoot is the right mouse button or aim, whatever it is. For reload, R, what I would use on everything. And for my builds, I have Q for my wall, C for my floor, V for stairs, and T for the pyramid. I don't have this on. I'm pretty sure it's to rotate the builds. I don't have that bound as anything. And edit, I have G. I just like G. It's just comfortable. I mean, I have decent sized hands. I wouldn't say they're super big, but it's just G is where it's at, man. And I'm not sure what this one is. I think it's for reset. I have that as the right mouse button. Excuse me. And edit on release, I have that on way quicker instead of having to tap G again after you've done the edit. It's just as soon as you let go, it does the edit for you. And yeah, scroll wheel reset, that's off. And these, I don't have them bound as anything. I don't know what they are exactly. I just clicked random buttons that were out of the way. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys some gameplay with these settings. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, see you guys next time.